Technique. A way of doing something using special skills. He used a new technique to solve the problem. Her painting technique is very unique. The chef showed us his cooking technique. This technique improves efficiency. She learned a new technique in her dance class.